Allegations have been leveled against you by Swati Maliwal. Vibhav ji, what do you have to say on the allegations that have been leveled by Swati Maliwal against you? Vibhav ji, is there any inquiry that has been initiated against you? Vibhav ji, is there any inquiry that has been initiated against you? Vibhav, so there you see the private secretary of Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh, Arvind Kejriwal, is inside the vehicle, and this vehicle is parked at Samajwadi Party office as Arvind Kejriwal is doing press conference with Akhilesh Yadav. We are trying to take questions from Vibhav Kumar directly, as serious allegations have been leveled against him by Swati Maliwal, but he is not answering. He's watching us from inside the car. He is in fact listening to our questions, but he is not answering at all. And in fact, some of the supporters of the Arvind Kejriwal has covered the vehicle so that we don't take questions. We couldn't take questions from him. We'll again try to. Vibhav ji, will you speak? What do you have to say on the allegations that have been leveled against you? Vibhav ji, what do you have to say on the allegations against you? Okay. There you see the Aam Aadmi Party workers are pushing us. They're not letting us go near to the car. Inside this car, Vibhav Kumar is sitting, and this is the same car in which Arvind Kejriwal has arrived at Samajwadi Party office. So, in fact, during the press conference also, when this question was asked to Arvind Kejriwal regarding what do he has to say on the allegations that have been leveled against Vibhav Kumar, to which he did not answer. And then Sanjay Singh started saying that what happened to the issue of Manipur, what happened to the issue of Prajwal Ravanna. Aam Aadmi Party is a family, and where were these BJP people when Swati Maliwal protested in Jantar Mantar in support of wrestlers? So all those issues were raised, but no direct answer was given to media as far as the allegations that have been leveled by Swati Maliwal against Vibhav Kumar. With video journalist Vimbaddar Siddhant Mishra in Lucknow for CNN News 18.
Okay, as you saw over there, that's our colleague Siddhant Mishra. He's directing that question to Vibhav Kumar, who is the personal secretary against who those accusations have been made. So exactly what is the timeline of this entire story of the Swati Maliwal case? Let's just bring you a little bit of the context here. Early in the morning, Delhi police received a call, a phone call wherein there was a woman who was complaining about an assault by the Chief Minister's personal staff. Now, right after that, Swati Maliwal went to the Civil Lines police station. She alleged that a member of Kejriwal's personal staff had assaulted her. But there was no formal complaint that was filed. She left. She said she'd file the formal complaint later. Now, as you can see, the BJP has latched onto this incident. They're saying, A, that the Aam Aadmi Party needs to take accountability. But point B, they're also asking exactly why Swati Maliwal hasn't actually filed a formal complaint so far. That's the big question that is being raised again and again. Why it is that the former DCW chief has not given a formal complaint. Let's go over to our colleague Siddhant. Siddhant is the reporter you can see in the left side of your frames right now. He directed that question to Arvind Kejriwal's personal secretary. Siddhant, you're joining us from outside the Samajwadi Party office, where that press conference of the Chief Minister is taking place right now. Just tell us a little bit right now. We saw you frame that question for the personal secretary. We saw him in the car. Just bring us more context.
Well, that's right, Toya. So here I am, and this is the car inside which Vibhav Kumar is right now. In fact, we tried taking question to Vibhav Kumar. What do he has to say on the allegations that have been leveled against him by Swati Maliwal, to which the Aam Aadmi Party supporters covered the car, and we are not being allowed to go near the car to take questions from Vibhav Kumar. So this entire controversy erupted when yesterday Arvind Kejriwal arrived at Lucknow airport. In fact, Vibhav Kumar was spotted along with him and Sanjay Singh. And perhaps that gave BJP ammunition, and BJP saying that when it comes to the accusation made by women against BJP leaders, then Aam Aadmi Party immediately takes high moral ground, whether it's case of Prajwal Ravanna or Brij Bhushan Sharan Singh. But when something serious happens in their own camp, they don't take action. And this is what BJP is alleging right now. Vibhav Kumar is traveling in capacity of Private Secretary to Chief Minister of Delhi, Arvind Kejriwal, and he's sitting right inside the vehicle, is speaking continuously on phone, in a way avoiding us. Or perhaps we did take a lot of questions, direct questions to Bibhap Kumar. He was hearing all our questions, but he did not answer to one question also. And right now you can see the other media people have also come. In fact, they are also attempting to take questions from Bibhap Kumar. So Aam Aadmi Party workers in a way have cordoned off this entire area. They have covered the vehicle so that we cannot go near to the vehicle and take question from Bibhap Kumar. So the serious allegations have been leveled against Swati Maliwal, and if allegations are not serious in nature, then at least Aam Aadmi Party should come out clean and perhaps should give the entire detail of what exactly happened at Chief Minister's residence. Even that has also not been done by Aam Aadmi Party. In fact, Sanjay Singh made this a statement that this is a very serious offence and there is going to be action against Bibhap Kumar. But Bibhap Kumar is still travelling with Chief Minister of Delhi, Arvind Kejriwal, in capacity of Private Secretary to the Chief Minister. In fact, you can see the bodyguards, the Aam Aadmi Party workers, they have covered this SUV inside which Bibhap Kumar is sitting. We did try to take question to Arvind Kejriwal also in the press conference. In fact, other journalists did try to ask him what do he has to say on the case of Bibhap Kumar. They dodged questions, and then Sanjay Singh started speaking about Prajwal Ravanna's case, Manipur, what is happening on those issues. So that was a reply which Sanjay Singh gave when this question was asked to Sanjay. Remember, he's the same Sanjay Singh who said that there's going to be action against Bibhap Kumar.
Siddhant, we'll ask you to stay with us. Just stay with us.